come here, come here. I'm gonna kill you, rat. Pick my cheese. What are you doing? Come here.
3, 2, 1, go.
I gave you a community boy!
Chill, bro. I got you. I got you.
Get him!
My name is Mariano and I like basketball. Stop!
Tum 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 Sahur is taking a smelly poo-poo!
Let's go. Wait, there's nothing in here? No, give that back, bro! Give that back! Yo! What are you doing? Bro! Hey, give it back! Ah! I know you're questioning my suggestion. I just did not just throw my fucking toy down the sewer! Hey, that was mine!
No?
No! Billy! And there's no more beer.
Sorry.
You're such a disappointment!
I got this!
But he was dead, bro. If he wanted you out there, he would go do it himself on feet by himself.
Please! Oh my god!
Love you, man.
What did I do?
You're getting reported for gorilla time.
What did I do? Report him.
Yo, does anybody here want to trade for this?
I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! Ah! Yeah! What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, huh? Oh yeah? Not without the power of love! What? Cook it with Jacob! Cook it with Jacob! Cook it with Jacob!
Alright, Jacob, what are you making me today?
I'm making some rocket pancakes. Alright, my turn, Dad. Raise your ya kaboom! P stands for boom! What up, danger? The kid's coming now! Get out of my door! Yeah!
Sir?
Leave?
Player 456.
What's this?
Have you had fun playing the hero?
No, kind of. No! Stop! I'm done with you! I'm stopping the games! Freaking my
Sir, I'm gonna need that.
Jacob?
3, 2, 1. Aha! I knew it! It was so big and long.
Dad! Gronk! Spike!
Once upon a time.
No! Once upon a time! I'm gonna throw the turkey. What? Throw the bear.
Want me to tuck you in?
Freeze! I've played these games before, Dad!
No, don't move, please. No, you're moving. Oh,
I'm charging!
you missed again. Oh yeah, I did good, right?
Dad, what the hell is this?
You like the low table fan gig, right?
Bro, this is not the low table fin. This is deep sea fishing fin.
Alright guys, I took you to the best zoo in LA. Of course we got here the venomous blue frog. What do you guys think?
He's ugly as hell. He's ugly, this guy. Wait, actually, I'm gonna go pet him. Careful, he might bite.
Oh, you good, bro? You good?
Shit, I don't know. Ow. Wait, everyone be quiet. You heard that? Hold on, what was that noise?
What?
Did you guys hear that? I don't know. It must have been the wind. Let's just check out this blue frog. And where'd he go?
Oh god, yo,
What
is he out of his mind right now? Bro,
Where'd the blue frog
he's
go?
very mad at steel, like.
What?
Yeah, I'm here with you.
I think I found him, guys.
What do you mean?
What the hell?
What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be jumping over a speeding Lambo, and if I survive, you have to like and subscribe. Alright, let's go!
Alright, bro, yeah, it's over here. You know? I kinda clogged the toilet, though.
You clogged the toilet! Okay.
Yeah.
Ugh! What fucking shit! Oh!
Taco. I had a bit of taco, though, bro. Sorry.
Oh! Smell it!
Bro, get the fuck away from
Oh! I'm going in.
Dude,
Oh!
don't.
Oh!
Hey, bro. Turn around.
Yeah?
Hey, look down. Man. What's there? What's there? Damn.
Guys, today we are seeing how long I could stand on this landmine. It's not going to be good when it blows up. That's not good. You guys saw it there. I cannot stay on that. Yeah.
There goes the gun. You can just wait up.
I'll do the
3.
I'm not
I'll
done,
do
I'm not
the
done, I'm not done,
light.
I'm not
No.
done.
Wait, no, we're not done.
After, should we just sell them? After, should we sell them? Guys, after, let's sell the explosion. Guys, after, sell the explosion.
Everyone run! Back up! Watch out! Bro, there's nothing.
Hey, yellow. I mean, blue.
Oh my god, there we go! Guys, I need my shotgun! I need my shotgun! Guys, we have a Friday. Give me my shotgun! Give me my shotgun! Nigger. I'll give you my I need ammo somewhere.
Oh, that's... Fine, I'll turn it back up. Why is that fucking cat so cute, actually?
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
Huh, you missed. That was like so far away from me. Like, how could you miss that far? Like, I'm sorry.
Green light. Go, see how we go, red light.
Stop! I played these games before! If you move, you will be shot! There's guns in the wall! Do not move! Hey. You know you're out, right?
What's good, guys? It's JJ, and today we're gonna be buying a rabbit. Let's go.
God damn it! You dummy! You dummy! Stop eating people! Stop eating pigs! You eat so many children! So many.
Help! I would like to buy rabbit. A little rabbit. I want to buy a rabbit.
Okay. Here you go, my boy. He does bite. Ah! Stop it! Ah! Stop it! Ah! You!
What the?
Tiny backpack pack? You want the tiny backpack?
I do a blue.
Do it. What was that?
Hello? Ah! What the fuck?
Oh yeah.
Guys. Mimic. Nope. No, I'm not a mimic. I'm not a mimic. I'm not a mimic. I'm not a mimic.
I'm a mimic! What are you talking about? He just blew himself up. The mimic's suicidal. The mimic's suicidal.
Kill mimic.
What are you talking about? The mimic's suicidal. He just blew
I got some good news
to,
Washington, get off the PC right now, bro.
No! Fuck you!
Get off the PC right now.
No, buy me a cheeseburger!
I'm not buying you no cheeseburger.
I am Pickle. Wash my
¿Por qué lloras? No te estoy haciendo nada. No te estoy haciendo nada.
Oye, ¿quieres ver qué se siente? ¿Quieres ver qué se siente?
A ver, ¿qué me vas a hacer?
Oh my gosh, I was on that forever. I mean, there's not much to do. Might as well just go on the phone. Oh, hello, Doc.
You know, you just need to relax and stop overreacting.
Murdered this man.
Yes.
You tortured him.
Of course.
Help me, I don't have light!
Holy shit!
How the fuck did they hit you?
What the fuck? Yo, check out my money.
Oh, 100K? That's pretty cool. Yo, check out mine.
Damn, you need to touch some grass.
Okay. Alright, I'm back. I did it.
Bring any food, bro? Yeah, bro, it's just downstairs.
Downstairs.
Bro, just go upstairs with me, please, bro. No. Oh, there's the fridge. Let me go. I found it.
Downstairs.
Look at me now. You have.
I gave you a convenience boy!
Chill, bro. I got you.
Get him!
Make the sound of a grappler.
Hutch, 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 hutch.
Make the sound of a ray gun. Make sound of a pogo stick.
Bwah. 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 Bwah.
Make the sound of a hoverboard. Huh? Monster? Monster? Monster?
Wait, what? Yo, you were cute. Aw. Wait, what? Like, actually, why does
Suddenly, every time.
I'm just lying to him.
Sure. Yo, I did not trust you. I did not trust you like somewhere, so I just teleported you. You guys know what I just experienced?
Bro, someone tell me if this fits hard.
What did you say? Yo, that is not hard, bro. What is that dude doing down there, bro? Alright, whatever. Hey, bro. Yo, why is your right arm bigger than the other? Yo, why do you look so dumb?
Missed that, bro. Pikachu? I have a tiny Pikachu. I have a tiny Pikachu. I'll trade it. I'll trade it. I'll trade it. I need to look through it. Get what I need you to run through it. Get what I need you to run through it. Hey, sir, what can I get you today?
Let me get a shake.
What kind of shake would you like, sir?
Shake your booty. Drive, drive, drive.
Wait, there's nothing in here? No, give that back, bro! Give that back! Yo! What are you doing? Bro!
Yeah, what do you want?
This is my lake.
What do you mean this is your lake? This is a frozen lake.
No, I own this lake.
You own a frozen lake? Crocodiles can't swim in a frozen lake.
Not on my lake.
This is not your lake.
What's that noise?
It's a little polar bear! Oh, you're so cute. Come here. Let me pet you.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He's dead! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
Pikachu? I have a tiny Pikachu. I have a tiny Pikachu. I'll trade it. I need to look through it. Get what I need you to run through it. Hey, sir, what can I get you today?
Let me get a shake.
What kind of shake would you like, sir?
Shake your booty. Drive.
Wait, there's nothing in here? No, give that back, bro! Give that back! Yo! What are you doing? Bro!
Okay, now put his hand in the warm water and he's gonna piss himself. How long does it take?
I'm sorry, bro. Here, look. Accept my apology beatbox. I am sorry.
Yo, Jack, look, it's a pigeon. It's so cute.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's so cute. So cute.
I know, he's so cute.
Yeah, bro. You know, he's kind of small. He looks smaller than usual. Are birds supposed to be that small?
I don't know, man. I mean, it kind of looks like he's scanning us with his little eyeballs, but nah, he's so cute.
Yeah, he's so cute. I see red lasers coming out of his eyes, but I don't know what that is. He's probably just
You see that too?
What? I want the drugs! Where's the drugs? Mercy! No,
You can fall for anything. Like you throw this bone, go fetch.
Like your braids. Drop a follow button and shake them.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yo, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe.